The AI economy is here. We're going to look at a future where we have robots, machines, cars, drones, all these different devices will be able to communicate with each other, transact with one another without any kind of human intervention. And projects like Sealcoin with their token, Qait, is making that happen. In this video today, we're going to talk about the Qait token, go over their tokenomics. We're also going to provide a quick highlight of Sealcoin just in case this is your first time hearing about it. But if you want to learn more about Sealcoin, I do have this video right here. That is part one where we do a much deeper dive into the actual Sealcoin project and give you a bit behind the scenes and give you a little bit more of their history. But let's go ahead and get into it, guys. This is going to be Sealcoin, their token Qait. Let's jump on in. So from their website, this is their breakdown of what Sealcoin is. So a quick highlight of this, it says key technologies. The Sealcoin platform is powered by an array of advanced technologies that make it secure, efficient, and scalable. These technologies allow machines, devices to perform transactions autonomously without relying on centralized authority or human intervention. The platform ensures privacy, trust, and reliability, forming a foundation for quantum AI transactions. And this is where the name Qait comes from, quantum AI transactions. You might hear it as KITE as well. As we look at the Sealcoin ecosystem, we have DLT technology. Sealcoin leverages Hedera hashgraph, a high-performance DLT that enables fast and secure transaction processing. Hedera ensures a decentralized and tamper-proof record of all transactions, fostering trust and transparency. Then we do have the public key infrastructure. You may know what a PKI is by now. If you do, great. If not, there's a definition. Then we have elliptic curve cryptography, or ECC. So Sealcoin utilizes ECC to guarantee the secure authentication of devices and transactions. This cryptography method offers strong protection and efficiency, which is crucial for IoT environments where resources constraints exist. Then we have post-quantum cryptography, or PQC. The platform integrates quantum-resistant cryptography methods to ensure long-term security, even as quantum computing technologies become more mainstream. Then we have non-custodial wallets. Users hold full control over their Qait token and private keys, ensuring complete autonomy over their assets. The decentralized approach aligns with Sealcoin's commitment to a secure, self-governed ecosystem. And as we roll on, guys, here's a little bit more about Sealcoin. It says empowering machines with autonomous transactions. Sealcoin platform enables autonomous real-time transactions between IoT devices and AI agents, unlocking possibilities for energy trading, data exchange, and more. As we read on and learn more, it says device-to-device transactions. Sealcoin platform facilitates automated transactions between Internet of Things devices or AI agents, where devices independently negotiate, execute, and settle for services for payments exchanges without human intervention. For example, a drone identifies a low battery, autonomously finds a nearby charging station with the Sealcoin network, and completes a secure automated payment and recharge process. We're going to dive into this a little bit more, guys. It's really fascinating what they're doing. Then it says secure energy trading and smart grids. This is where you as a homeowner can make some money using this technology. Check this out. It says within smart grids, Sealcoin platforms enables peer-to-peer energy trading. Homeowners with renewable energy sources like solar panels can directly sell excess energy to other consumers or devices in real time. This system allows homeowners to act as independent energy producers and sellers, contributing to a decentralized energy market and enhancing grid flexibility. Then we have secure AI agents and real autonomy. With digital ecosystems, the Sealcoin platform enables AI agents to operate autonomously and securely. The agents acting on behalf of individuals or organizations can negotiate, decide, and execute transactions directly with other agents and other services in real time. Then we have decentralized data marketplace. So Sealcoin enables a decentralized data marketplace where Internet of Things devices autonomously exchange verified high-value data. Secured by post-quantum cryptography, devices act as a data publisher, earning tokens for sharing accurate telemetry or sensor information. In industries like agriculture, energy, or logistics, this system turns trustworthy, tamper-proof data into valuable currency, creating self-sustaining a secure Internet of Things ecosystem across borders and connectivity gaps. Then this is really mind-blowing right here, guys. Listen to this. Space-enabled transactions. Sealcoin brings secure machine-to-machine transactions to space by enabling satellites and devices to authenticate, exchange data, and settle value autonomously. Integrated with WiSat, Sealcoin supports trusted space-to-ground connectivity and transactions in even remote or offline environments, powering a new generation of satellite-enabled digital services. If I move too fast, no worries, guys. All my research is down in my video description as always. And while we're here, if you guys could please hit the like button. If you like this kind of reporting where we just bring you straight facts, no hopium, and give you a different way to look at the crypto market as a whole, please consider subscribing to the channel. We would love you to have you on board. Now we're going to hear from Jonathan. He is the Chief Product Officer at Sealcoin. He's talking about what the Qait token's doing, what Sealcoin's doing. He's going to put all what we just read together. He's going to put it in a way you can see where it's going and what's coming up next. Let's hear from him. It's about 50 seconds long, and we will discuss after that. Then we will move into the Qait token, look at the price and all those things here just in a second. So let's go ahead and hear from Jonathan and see what he has to say.
Hi, I'm Jonathan from Sealcoin. What if our energy infrastructure could think, negotiate, and transact on its own? As renewable energy, electric vehicles, batteries, and AI become increasingly connected, energy grids are becoming decentralized. Coordinating these devices requires trust, security, and autonomy. That's where Sealcoin comes in. Our platform enables authenticated devices and AI agents to discover one another, negotiate energy exchanges, execute agreements, and settle transactions using KITE. Imagine neighborhoods where solar panels, batteries, smart meters, and EV chargers trade electricity in real time. Or electric vehicles operating as a virtual battery, storing renewable energy and supplying it back to the grid when demand rises. Every participant is authenticated. Every transaction is secure and post-quantum ready. Sealcoin provides the trusted coordination layer. KITE powers the machine economy.
So think about a world where you have solar panels on your house and it's generating so much power, you can't physically use all that power. Well, you as a homeowner have now ability to resell that to the grid. You can tap into your local grid and resell that to the people that do need that. So you're making money off of your house on the power you're not using. And with this technology, we're thinking about, let's say, that transaction does need to happen. You don't have time. Nobody has time to stop and verify and go in and edit and send all that to the people. It automatically does it for you autonomously and speaks with other machines autonomously. Like really sink in and think about what that means. Like let's say robots are a big thing right now, right? Robots are coming out. This is becoming more of a reality for us. And those robots are going to need power to charge. Well, let's say it's out doing something. It can stop and charge and recharge itself without the need of you to transact and buy that energy. It can automatically stop, station, and power itself and pay for that powering without you being involved at all. Or if you have drones that are flying, they need to stop and recharge. Again, that drone can be recharged autonomously by itself. Think of the bigger picture like that when we start looking at how much more we start relying on machines and robotics as we go forward, right? This is going to be revolutionary. When I say this is the fourth industrial revolution, guys, it's not about just the payments. Yes, that's awesome, that payments, but really what this technology is doing is transforming our world, guys. Like when we think about the next 20 years, you're going to look back to 2026 and think we're in the Stone Ages comparatively to where we are 20 years from now. And Sealcoin Qait is making that possible. Now let's move into the actual Qait token and learn more about the token itself. So let's look at that. Check it out with me. It says Qait token, the native utility token powering the Sealcoin ecosystem and enabling secure machine-to-machine transactions, AI agent economies, decentralized markets, and proof of security POSY framework. As you roll down, it gives you more information. It says token information. It's going to be native on Hedera. As you see, the token symbol is, of course, Qait. And then we have the token standard is the Hedera token services. The initial price here, maximum supply of 10 billion Qait. Additional networks, we have BNB, Smart Chain, Ethereum, Base. We're going to talk about other networks here just in a second when we look at CoinMarketCap. And as you roll down, it gives you more information about the token, the distribution of it. So we have the ecosystem and community. You're looking at 29.5% distribution. Protocol development, you're looking at 20%. Treasury, 18.5%. Team, you have 18%. Investor, 10%. Advisor, 2%. Liquidity, 2%. As we look at the token utility, this is where you need to really understand what this token is being utilized for. It shows you authentication and secure machine-to-machine communications. It says secure authentication and encrypted communication between machines, connected devices, and AI agents across Sealcoin ecosystem. Machine-to-machine payments enables autonomous real-time payments between connected devices. AI agent economy provide the settlement layer for autonomous AI agents, exchanging services and value. Decentralized marketplace, power decentralized marketplaces for energy, compute, data, and space services built on Sealcoin. Then we have proof of security, so support secure device onboarding and incentivize trusted network participation through the proof of security framework. So when we put all this together, what it's really doing is Sealcoin, Qait, YSAT, WiseKey, SealSQ, this whole ecosystem, they're making it possible where you can transact from space via satellites down to the Earth. Why that's important? Well, think about as we move into a grid where it's more heavily based on electricity and electronics, we're moving away from analog, right? So what happens when that grid goes out? How do you make a payment if your grid goes down? How do you access anything when there is no power to power those machines? Well, this is where the beauty of Sealcoin Qait is coming in. They're able to do that from satellite space, right? And shoot that back down to Earth. So you don't really have to have that power source to keep that machine up and running because it's all done in low orbit outside of Earth. This is where we really start looking at the quantum technology coming into place and where we're going, guys. We're just getting started. And as I said before, like when we look into the future, this whole world is going to look completely different by the time, if you have kids and you're my age, I'm about to be 40. If you have kids, by the time those kids, your grandkids, are our age, they're going to look back and think we were so primitive comparatively. And we're watching that unfold right now, just as the people our grandparents did with the Industrial Revolution, right? With the automobiles. Like we're in that world right now. Like stop and really appreciate what that means. Now for the people that are curious, let's move into Coin Market Cap and take a look at the Qait token and get a better understanding where we are on that. So check it out with me, Coin Market Cap. As you can see, the Qait token is still under a cent. It's still super cheap if you're interested in it. We have the volume as of the time of recording. We have $842,000, fully diluted value of 64.59 million, total supply of 10 billion Qait with a circulating supply of 500 Qait at the moment, with only 4,000 holders of the Qait token. As you can see, the performance value, we just got it launched. I think it was it May of 2026. And this hit right here on BNB chain as well. And now we have the ICO and we're just kind of dropping out from here. So don't let the price action kind of scare you. It is a new release and they are just now getting started. If you're wondering about the markets where you can buy it, these are the markets. It's hard to find in the US. If you look at these different exchanges, these aren't really available in the US. So what you can do is look at Caleb and Brown. I haven't got on there to find it myself, but the rumor is you can get on Caleb and Brown and find that Qait token. So if you're looking to buy it, I would suggest Caleb and Brown if you are in the United States. If you are on the outside of the United States, I would go to any of the other ones, right? Your favorite one. You'll be able to find it there. So we do hope that one day it gets posted on Coinbase or Uphold or Kraken, right? That's what we're hoping. But right now, I think we are super early into this project. I think it's something not a lot of people are paying attention to because right now the crypto space is really focused on payments and utility as far as the payments infrastructure goes. Not a lot of people are looking at the agentic economy tokens, these robotic economy tokens, the ones that are really going to be transformative. They are still extremely early on, and I think if you're somebody that's looking at these projects, you're somebody that's thinking a little bit different than the masses already. If you're in the crypto space, you already think differently, but if you're in a space like this within the crypto space, you're thinking much differently than most people. I hope you guys find something valuable in this video. If you did, hit that like button, share it with a friend, consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Before I let you guys go, take care of yourself, take care of the people around you, become the change you want to see in the world. I'll get you guys in the next one.